Namaste, Vanakkam, Namaskaram. Welcome back to Swati Ganesh Creations. I hope every one of you are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys something different. This room which you are looking at is the most neglected room in our house. So I wanted to give it a transformation. So I wanted to start off with this computer table. This computer table is nearly 12 years old. So I wanted to give a makeover to make it look bright. So I'm going to do some kind of experiment here. I'm going to use the base paint as wall paint, but you can always go ahead and use chalk paint, which is specifically designed for the wood. So let's start. The first step I did here was to sand this furniture. I used a sandpaper to sand it completely. And then I have applied one layer of this wall paint. I have used white Asian paint wall paint. And after applying first layer also, after it is completely dried, I have used sandpaper to sand it lightly. And then I have applied a second layer of white paint. And for the sides, I have just used acrylic black color. So you can see after we have applied 2 layers of this white paint, the coverage is so good. And after the paint is completely dried, I am just going to sand the surface so that we get a smooth finish. And then I am going to apply chalk paint. What I am going to do is I am going to take a thin brush, I will dip it in water and I will take green paint and I will just make some strokes like this. And after I have completed with green paint, I will repeat the same with this yellow chalk paint. These chalk paints are from Itsy Bitsy. I will put the link in the description box. You guys can check it out. You can see it looks actually as if we have used a wallpaper on it. I just liked it. What do you guys think about it? Do let me know in the comment section. Now it's time for the before and after look. So this is how it looks now. I just liked it. I've always wanted some pop of color in this room, so I think this is doing that. Do let me know your comments in the comment section below. After completing the painting, I have applied a layer of clear synthetic varnish for longer durability. So I am just taking this frame. This frame was the first DIY that I posted on my channel. So you guys can check it out. I'll give the link in the description box. So I wanted to give this frame a new look. So I'm just going to sand it and then I'm going to use white acrylic color. I'll be doing 2 coats of white acrylic color, so that you get a good coverage. So after we have completed the second layer of white paint, I will allow it to dry completely. So after that, I'm just going to apply some white paint to the mesh as well. Actually this mesh was in green color which I spray painted it to black. Now I'm just applying some white acrylic paint on it. After that is completed, I'm taking here a dry brush. Your brush needs to be dry. And then I'm taking brown chalk paint which I'm going to apply with the help of this dry brush. Just like this. Make sure your brush is dry. And then I'm just going to stick this masking tape on the side. So now I'll be applying some yellow color as well on using the same dry brush technique. And then I will repeat the same steps, like I'm going to apply brown chalk paint again. So these steps I will repeat till I get the coverage that I was looking for. If you guys don't like rustic look, then you need not do this and you can just paint it with white. So and then last step, I'm using some sandpaper to get a smoother finish. And that completes our DIY frame. So to protect this, do not use clear synthetic varnish but use clear wax. It would look good on chalk paint. So our DIY is complete. Let us now decorate this computer table. So do let me know what do you guys think about this computer table in the comment section below. I liked it. If you guys like it or not, do let me know in the comment section below. So now let us decorate it. And there was one bed beside this which I am going to reuse. I will show you guys how I am going to reuse it in another video. This cute sheep is from Chumbak. It is one of my favorite. The duck and the artificial plant are from US, and that ceramic decor is just, I had a old one which I painted it in yellow. This clock I got it from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box. So this is my favorite planter now. I have already shown in one of my video. It costed me 350 bucks. I got it from a local shop. So I'm just placing some books and on top of it one decor piece. So I'm just using a basket here in which I use some pen and this artificial succulent and a specs box. Below also I'm just going to place some books, and on top of it I'm going to use this basket in which I have placed all my cables and wires, and beside it I'm just going to use this plant. And that completes our computer table. Now it's time for us to bring in our DIY. So I'm just going to put up this frame on the wall. I have pinned up some photos and some motivational quotes over here. So you can even pin up your important notes and to-do list here, and it will be very useful for this present scenario where everyone is working from home. And I am going to install a organizer here, and I am going to use it as a shelf in which I am going to place some artificial succulents. And finally I am just going to add this basket in which I am going to place this plant. And that's it, guys. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up because that's going to motivate me to do more such videos. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and also clicking on that ting 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 bell icon so you get notifications of all our future videos. Please don't judge me for this. I am currently using only this tool which I got from Amazon to work on this computer because I don't work for a longer time in this computer. I work on my laptop. So I am planning to get a single seater soon. If you guys have any suggestions, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys really like this video, please consider sharing it with your friends and family. I'll see you all in the next interesting video. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye, friends.